Guys, ano to wirings. First wirings. Guys, CR. Yan, CR. Native. Bulbuling. Ini satu wirings. Ada outlet. Sudah ya outlet. Hanya switch. Then guys, basta tayo mag house wiring guys. So yan ang ano natin, MCB distribution box natin, isang main at tatlong branches. RCBO, mayroon tayong RCBO guys, residual current breaker with overcurrent protection. Ito yun guys, ito yung RCBO natin. Detection ng mga ground. And guys, basta tayo mag-install, mayroon tayong 36 watts na ilaw. Mayroon tayong outlet, 10 outlet guys. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo. Sabi outlet guys, no? Siyam, hapo. 11 na outlet. Ito guys, ilaw natin sa kwarto. Switch. Ilaw sa labas ng CR at kwarto guys. Yung mga ilaw dito sa guys, sa ano niya, kitchen dito guys. Ilaw niya guys, 14 ilaw. Grabe ilaw ng bahay guys. Shout out Agaw Elmer, Agaw Edgar. Sila yung nagtrabaho dito guys. Tapos na tayo nag-install, nagkabit ng mga ilaw. Switch dito guys. Switch. CR niya guys, ilaw guys.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through